Are we facing a transformer?
Transformers, toolbox in disguise.
Oh, he is limiting our our area. Oh no, get off!
Oh, what? No!
Welcome back, everyone, to another It Takes Two.
I'm a coming, baby.
Wait until I get there.
Really?
Oh, have fun with that, sir. Oh, you get another nail. What?
That makes 3. Gonna need a boost.
Oh.
Oh my god!
We trimmed off some of that, those calories.
I know I wanted to go on a diet, but not like this.
You've got a dad bod now.
I really do, don't I?
Thank you.
Great. Another trust exercise.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
Think I'm gonna miss?
I hope not.
Okay, I think I know what I need to do. Okay, first I'm gonna recall that one.
Yeah.
Okay, now you're gonna have to wall jump.
Okay.
3,
3, 2, 1.
Okay.
You gotta get,
I know, I gotta
get the platform.
Okay, go on the
next
other
to
one.
me.
I know.
Okay. Nice. Nice, Boo.
Don't call me Boo or I would let you drop.
No! No! No!
I did not mean to do that.
Why do you want to watch me die?
It's not on purpose.
Alright. Here we go. Boo, boo, boo. Where did I go now?
When I say jump,
Oh, wait.
jump.
Yeah. The big one. No, the big one. The big wall.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
there you go. And then put one up there. There we go. And then I need my right.
Yep.
Nicey, nice.
You two have pretty good teamwork.
Oh, hi. Would you like to come up here? I have the high ground, Anakin.
Oh, I'm an Obi-Wan. You're definitely an Anakin.
I know. I liked being Annie boy.
Here's the toolbox. Both of you, come on. Help me break it open.
Yes, okay, Mr. Hammer. Chill. Oh, that's not good. This is the biggest shed.
It really is, and they're not questioning it.
Getting away, we have to catch it.
How's it getting away? Come
We
back!
have a conveyor belt?
Grimy tool.
When did we get a conveyor belt?
I don't know.
Come back!
Is this where
Whoa.
is this where all the money went?
Yeah, that's where all our savings.
Stop playing hard to catch.
Oh, jeez!
Oh! Ah, my body! Oh my god! Oh, you died.
You'll never get away with this.
Uh-oh.
Toolbox.
Oh.
Hit the button.
No, up! I apologize.
Okay.
Ooh.
The shadows tell you where it's gonna land.
Yeah.
Move.
Yep.
All right, let's go.
Woo! Uh-oh. Ooh, okay. Oh, it's easy.
Oh, jeez. Who is firing nails at us?
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Ow.
that's gotta hurt.
Owie. Mommy. Oh, no. Oh! Oh, my God.
Faster, May, faster.
I've done so much in this.
Heavy-headed.
Oh, no. I can't go.
Wait, what?
Why did it put me over here?
I gotta go back then.
That's fine. You got this. Oh, wait. There's one right there. Okay, that's nice. There we go. That was easy. See? Oh, my gosh. Are you serious? Hey. Come on, man. You gotta do better than this. Oh, my God.
I was not paying attention when you died.
Okay, there we go. All right.
We can't let my friends die.
I promise I'm good at things in life. Ow. Except that part.
All right.
I'm not good at that.
Oh, that button right there. Over there.
There's a button. Ooh. Where?
Over there.
Oh, I see the button. Oh. Button is currently occupied. Oh, you gotta do a thingy.
I'm aware.
Okay. There you go. Nice. Oh, that's a lot of nails. Ooh. Man, there's a lot of thinking in this.
Yep. Oh, jeez.
I wasn't expecting to have to think this much.
Oh, I get it now, yeah.
Ready? Oh, you are right there. You got a nail in you. I guess you really nailed it. Just waiting for you, Cody.
Sorry, I realized I left one of my most trusted allies in my life behind.
Oh, don't worry. I'm ahead. I'm there.
Oh no, I had to go back to nails.
Oh, I'm not your ally. Okay. What the?
Are we facing a transformer?
Transformers, toolbox in disguise. Uh-oh. That's a waste of nails.
Really is.
Ready? There you go. All right, now what do I do? Oh yeah, there we go.
Ready now?
Hit that.
We're gonna crack you open.
Ooh! Ah! Spatula! Oh, that's nice of him. Oh, I think he's angry.
Is that a power drill?
It's a drill. Oh, he's laughing. Oh, that's mean.
Oh.
Nice. You right there?
No.
You got nailed again.
Yeah.
So go make a spot. Whoa. Oh, whoa. What? I will live. I will live for us, my love.
Please don't say that.
I'm here. I am.
Oh wait, are they gonna? Oh, he's gonna do it again.
Here we go. Nice and easy.
Hold on tight.
Oh no! I'm sorry. I had to do it, sir. Oh, the Matrix.
You let go of the hammer though.
Where did my hammer? Oh, there it is. Thank goodness I have my hammer.
My training has led me
You're
to this moment.
training the moment you've been training for. I'm assuming you shoot the yellow dot.
Yep. By the looks of it.
Oh, that doesn't look good. Uh-oh.
Oh, that is a one-shot kill, by the
Oh,
way.
there's a hole there.
Checkpoint. Good thing there's a checkpoint.
Oh, he's just got a nice laugh.
Wait, hit it with the hammer. Oh.
Hit what? Oh!
When it's spinning.
Now it's my. Uh-oh.
Can we talk about this toolbox?
We're
Ew.
not past negotiating.
We're like
Freddy.
flies. Whoa, eppa, ole! Alright, you're gonna. There you go. Oh,
Hit it.
right there.
Oh, wait. Hit it.
There you go. Oh! Look at that. Look at you go!
Good on there, Cody.
Wow, Cody. That was hot.
Oh, jeez. And please stop saying that.
The sauce.
Oh, jeez. Oh, he is limiting our play, our area. Oh, no, get off.
Oh, what? No! There we go. We're fine. I'm here.
Oh, no. When he swings the freaking thing again.
Oh, no. What is this?
The shovel.
Oh, my gosh. This is terrible. Oh, no. I can't hit it. No. Alright.
Get me back up
Go.
there.
Go.
Go! Complete your destiny!
Darn.
You're
One more.
terrible.
I'm not terrible. I was only allowed to shoot twice.
Your destiny must be fulfilled. Take it. Get back here. Wait, what? It didn't get you! Oh, this is not ideal. Oh, no. What? He almost got your bum. He's gonna spank you. If I stay still, it can't see me.
Cody,
Okay.
Ready?
finish off that spray.
Fulfill your destiny!
Yeah!
The moment you've been trained. Uh-oh. That's not good.
Please let me keep my nails. No, I lost my nails. I actually like the nails.
I lost my hammer. Oh.
Wait, the nails were alive?
Yeah. This is weird.
Oh, thank you.
Those are some bendy nails.
Yeah.
No! Look at me! I'm whole! I'm whole! You are a true hero!
Oh, you hear that?
Hey,
Thank
what
you.
about me? Huh?
Nah,
My
no,
partner
no,
still
not
was
you.
My hero love. Did you see that explosion?
Anyway, we still have to.
Oh, of course, of course.
Okay. Ooh.
This
doesn't
does
feel
not
safe.
look safe.
I wonder if she's gonna treat her tools with more respect after this.
Don't worry, he's very.
Now I'm going to.
Bastion, sling it.
You know what? I think that's what we're gonna call it right now. I miss my nails.
I miss my hammer. Now I can't hit you.
Anyway, guys, hopefully you guys did enjoy. Honestly, a lot of fun we're having with this game.
Yeah, sames.
We'll see you guys next time.
Bye!
See you guys.